This is Australia. In 1932, it declared war on birds. This is a true story. After World War I, veteran soldiers were given farmland out west to grow wheat. It was going great. Then 20,000 emus showed up and ate everything. So the government did the logical thing. It sent the army. 2 soldiers, 1 machine gun, 10,000 bullets against birds. The emus scattered at 30 miles an hour, and the gun jammed. Of course it jammed. After a month, the army retreated. The commander called the emus invulnerable, like tanks. Yay! The birds had won. Never underestimate an emu. Follow for more facts.